During your stay in China, have you noticed any facilities or equipment related to the low-altitude economy? In what ways do you think the low-altitude economy could benefit people's lives?
While living in China for studies, I have noticed that drones are sometimes used in daily life. For example, using them for things like aerial photography is rather common in Beijing. But I see the vision in this technology because it would help ease traffic congestion in Beijing, maybe help with the emergency responses, and also improving logistical efficiencies in some areas. Another use would be to use it for entertainment or tourism, drone shows like in airports of China, or maybe government-regulated air tours such as those above the Great Wall.
Beyond the skies, technology is also transforming the ground beneath our feet, especially in agriculture. Having explored technological solutions like the Beidou navigation satellite system for agriculture in China, I'm interested in the solution in Indonesia. Is there any agricultural challenge in your country, and what technological solutions are being adopted to address it?
Yes, of course. In Indonesia, a major agricultural challenge is unstable yields caused by climate change, such as irregular rainfall, floods, and droughts. Many smallholders also face high fertilizer costs and limited access to timely information. To address this, we are adopting precision and digital tools, weather and pest early warning apps from the Ministry of Agriculture and local startups, and also satellite-based monitoring to map drought risk and crop conditions. Some regions use drone spraying and drone mapping to reduce labor and improve targeting. We're also expanding smart irrigation and using sensor-based systems in horticulture. These technologies are promising, but connectivity and training are still key barriers for wider adoption. So there might need to be government support to make this happen.
Thank you. These technological approaches reflect a broad national focus on innovation. In your country, which specific fields, such as space, ocean, polar regions, or others, receive major investment for exploration? Could you share an example of a project in one of these areas? Do you see potential for cooperation between China and Indonesia in this regard?
Indonesia is mostly prioritizing on maritime exploration and sustainable ocean development, given its geographical characteristics being the largest archipelagic nation in the world. One prominent example of a large project would be the Indonesia Sustainable Oceans Program, with major investments from the World Bank, aimed at improving marine resource management, protecting the coastline ecosystems, sustainable fisheries and aquacultures, and also restoration efforts of habitats and ecosystems, including the mangrove forests. I see a rather high potential in this regard about the collaboration between Indonesia and China in this specific field, because China is an advocate of environmental protection too, and collaboration would mean importing China's high technology in these areas to better tackle the problems we are facing.
Thank you.
Thank you.